Scott Gragson's attorneys say police and prosecutors didn't follow the rules, and they believe Gragson shouldn't have been indicted. The Las Vegas businessman is facing several DUI-related charges after a crash which left a mother of 3 dead and others injured. The I-Team's Vanessa Murphy has been following Gragson's case very closely and joins us with some new information on this case. Vanessa.
Thanks, Kirsten. The I-Team has been showing you evidence from this court case, including video and documents, which prosecutors say lead to the same conclusion. Scott Gragson was drunk when he got behind the wheel and crashed. But Gragson's attorneys argue some of that evidence shouldn't be allowed to be used in the criminal case against him.
What's going on today? Huh? It's a big problem.
This is minutes after a crash on May 30th, which left mother of 3, Melissa Newton, dead, 3 others injured, and driver Scott Gragson in handcuffs. On Monday, the 53-year-old man's attorneys filed this petition in court. They argue statements made by Gragson shouldn't be used, as they claim they were taken in violation of Miranda.
Okay. Go ahead, sir. Look down at your foot. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I just killed it.
There's also controversy surrounding Gragson's blood alcohol test and the timing. Gragson's attorneys submitted this document, an application for a search warrant from Metro. The officer writes he arrived at the scene at 5:11 and he asks a judge for permission to draw Gragson's blood more than 2 hours later, while Nevada state law gives police a 2-hour window. Shortly after, the traffic captain was removed. The reason why wasn't provided. Still more than 3 hours after the crash, police say Gragson's blood alcohol level was 0.147, close to twice the legal limit. And prosecutors also point to medical records, which reveal a BAC of 0.181, which falls in that 2-hour window. Gragson's attorneys argue medical records and testimony from a UMC nurse violate HIPAA and shouldn't be allowed in court. In the meantime, Gragson has pleaded not guilty to all charges.
And then, all right. Well, sir, I'm going to tell you that it's not good.
Gragson's attorney sent a statement pointing to rules for the grand jury meant to protect a citizen accused of a crime. He says the attorneys are challenging what they believe to be errors in the grand jury presentation. For now, Gragson's trial is set for March. He's out on bond with electronic monitoring, and he faces civil lawsuits as well, which you know we've been covering.
That's right. All right. Thank you very much, Vanessa.